This video clip, I'm going to show you how to set up the chassis puller here for the stitching the damage on the inner panels in the car here. You see with the point impact here, so we drilled a hole there. It's going to be a texture clamp. We pulled our inner panel back at this normal position, and there's our city dozer here. 84 straightner, and I have this one for about 23 years. And it's well balanced straightner with a 10-ton ram, so it's good pulling power. And this car got a wee slap there, just throw it back here, so we were pulled back into our original position. And just a 10-ton ram there. I'm using the manual pump there. So our next operation now will be get the new wing, and to line up the wing before we pull any more. And we'll give it a wee pull down here, and have to repair this bit of damage here. So that's our next operation. So it's just to set up the the CD body dozer, and it's a fairly good puller. And it's ideal for light bodywork or some heavy damage, but usually for light we use the car liner for any heavy. So that's our Toyota Corolla. She's a 4EFE model, and you see she's got a wee slap there. So our next operation now will be get a new wing, and we'll assemble her up and see if everything lines up. And it'll be our next video. Right. Good luck.